Does your heart beat like this when you hear the word exams? Rapid breathing, a heart beating faster, and feeling hungry all of the time are all physical signs of stress and are common to experience during exam periods. Exam stress can affect the way you think, feel, and behave, including feeling overwhelmed, finding it hard to concentrate, forgetting things, being irritable, and feeling tired all the time. So, what can we do to keep calm and manage stress effectively? Well, if you've watched the first video in this series, Exam Hacks Taking Control, you already know the first thing to do. Keep a routine and take regular breaks. In the daily schedule, we've included regular start times and end times for studies, as well as regular breaks. Maintaining this routine will help you to reduce stress. If you have not seen the video, check out the link below in the description and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for the rest of the episodes in the Exam Hacks series. What should you do during your breaks though? Breaks should be used to relax so that your body and mind will be fresh and clear to study the next block of study material. In short breaks, you can listen to music, do some stretching, or an activity that you like. Doing breathing exercises is a great way to calm your stress and relax your anxious mind. There are loads of breathing exercises available online. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and iBreathe are great tools to help you with this. Longer breaks can be used to eat properly, take naps, or exercise. Janet said, a family therapist and expert in children's mental health, says that it's important to eat healthy foods that will keep your body fueled and your mind sharp. Food with too much fats, sugar, and carbohydrates will make you feel tired and fuzzy, which is not ideal for learning. So go ahead and opt for the healthier fruits and veggie options. Physical activities like walking, running, swimming, and yoga will leave you feeling calm, fresh, and energetic for hours. So be sure to use those longer breaks to add some movement into your day. While short power naps during one of your longest breaks can help you get through the day, getting enough sleep at night is important. Sleeping helps you to remember what you have learned, so keep to a healthy sleep routine and make sure you are ready to learn or to write exam the following day without feeling tired. Above all, it's important to get the right help to manage your stress. So talking to someone about it, a friend, a parent, or even a counselor can help you to effectively manage your stress. In our next episode, we'll look at some effective study methods that you can use to make sure that you learn best so you can be prepared for the exams. So, subscribe to our channel now to get notified of it. And good luck with those studies.